Welcome to East Northport, home to nearly 20,000 residents and known for its family-friendly neighborhoods, top-rated schools, and unbeatable convenience. This community is served by three excellent school districts, including Elwood, Comac, and Northport East Northport, giving families outstanding options for education. Located just minutes from Jericho Turnpike and major highways, this home offers easy access to shopping, dining, and commuting, while being only a short drive to beautiful Northport Park and the harbor. One of Long Island's favorite weekend destinations. I'm excited to show you this beautiful home in East Northport. Perfect set on a quiet tree-lined street that offers peace, privacy, and comfort. Property has been updated with a new roof, siding, Trex deck, and pavers surrounding the in-ground pool with a new liner, combining curb appeal with low-maintenance luxury. Inside, you will find bright open spaces, 4 large bedrooms upstairs, including a private primary suite, and the main level bedroom with a separate outdoor entrance. Perfect for guests or a home office. The backyard offers a true retreat with a sparkling pool, outdoor seating, and space to relax or entertain. We get calls and emails every day of people just like you looking for help buying and selling in New York, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're buying in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you to make a smooth move to New York.